Make your next presentation unforgettable. Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a modern PowerPoint template that's not just good looking, it's smartly designed. This template includes 80 unique slides, and here's the best part. Every single one is built inside the slide master. That means each layout has its own structure. And you can add new slides or change the slide layout from here. Also, you can instantly adapt the whole presentation to your favorite color theme or brand palette with just one click. This template adjusts beautifully to your topic. And you just should change the content, which is available in normal view. If I delete this picture, you can replace the image right here. Even you can find the best pose for your image by clicking on crop button from Format Picture. The order of slides is designed to tell a story. It starts with your introduction, move through data and insights, and finished with a forward-looking summary. Also, you can change the text and numbers, add new charts, or change the value of the charts. Just select it and in Chart Design, choose Edit Data, then change them. Or for example, you can change the icon. Select it and in graphic format, click on Change the Graphic. Choose one of them and change the icon. Everything is fully editable, from fonts and colors to charts and icons. But before we wrap up, check out this animated timeline. It's one of my favorite parts of template, and you might like it too. Next week, I'll show you how exactly to create it. In short, this template is ready to use. Fast, flexible, and visually balanced. Just drop in your content, choose your color, and your presentation is ready in a minute. If you like this template and you don't want to miss that tutorial, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.